Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tech with Nat, and this channel is for all the entrepreneurs who like to do ish themselves. Okay, so drop your business Instagram name in the comments right now, boo. Okay, I want to interact and follow with each one of you guys. Also, I will be picking one person just to go through your Instagram and let you know any tips and tricks that I use that can help you to boost your followers and boost your engagement on your Instagram. Okay, the second thing, you guys, I just want to shout out my company real quick for sponsoring this video because I have no other sponsors. It is Taylor Tech Shop. Okay, we create custom and cute phone cases like this. So if you like those kind of stuff, go ahead and go to the description box. It'll have a link for this phone case as well as to create your very own custom phone case. Okay, so in this video, guys, we'll be learning how to create content using our phone, because I know many entrepreneurs, especially the ones who are just starting out, don't have a lot of money to pay these content creators or graphic designers. So I just want to give you this little secret on what I use to create some cute content. Okay, so let's get into this video. Grab your phone, boo. Okay, so we're gonna go on our phone, you guys. So I have the pictures that I want to use saved already in this little IG feed album that I have. It's very good to create an album to keep all the posts that you want to post on your Instagram feed in separate from all your other pictures, and you get to see like how it will look on your actual feed. I'm gonna show you my actual feed right now just so you can get a picture of what my color scheme is, and oh, that's a nice cake. What my color scheme is, as well as the pictures that I like to post and use. So Taylor Tech Shop is my business Instagram name. As you can see, like, my color scheme is pink. I love pink, especially this color pink. I love it so much. So this attracts like a lot of younger girls, which is my target audience to my feed. So that's really the reason why I choose the color pink. Anyway, going back to the IG feed. Okay, so when I'm posting on Instagram, I don't know, sometimes I don't like to post, like, do hard marketing and post like 3 pictures that are actually my product. So I'll put in like a quote in the middle or any picture that I can use an engaging caption for and use that. So this will be my middle picture right here, as you can see. And then I'm gonna post these 2 pictures at the end. So this is the first one and this is the second. So of course I'll be revamping those pictures so it looks better on my feed. We're gonna go into Bizart, which is, I don't even know how you pronounce this. I hope it's Bizart, but they need to sponsor me, okay? Because I be telling everybody, please download this app because I love it so much. Okay, so we're going to go into Bizart. So we're going to select IG feed and we're going to click on this picture to revamp it because this is the picture that I want to use. So let me show you guys. This little button right here is my best friend. Okay, it's called the magic tool. It literally erases your background perfectly. Okay, well, let me not say perfectly because sometimes I be having to refine it. You see, like, sis, I hyping sis up the magic button and this is what you're gonna do to me? Seriously. Okay, the score changes. You know what we're gonna do? Let's crop the picture first and then maybe it might be easier for them to do the magic eraser. So we're just gonna crop it, and this is just your regular photos crop. So I cropped it. Now let's see if the magic tool will work better now. And it did. You see, you guys, I'm so glad I'm doing this live because I literally take like 10 minutes trying to see what works and what doesn't work. And I was telling you guys that my background is pink, and I show you guys which one I want to be my middle picture. So we're gonna have a pink background, period. Okay, so my middle picture, let me show you guys again if you need a reminder. My middle picture is gonna be like this cute pink neon house that I love. Oh my gosh, I really want my real house to look like this, and we're gonna go try to work off that colors with it. So with Bizart, if you scroll, there's this background option. You can put real life pictures as your background. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys one picture that I took actually, and the background is fake as AF. Okay, it's fake. This one right here, you guys, and I got so much engagement on it. It's because the background colors are so vibrant, but I had to delete the actual background because it was like green, dark green, and it was just throwing off my whole picture vibe. So I put that fake background on there using Bazaar, and it was good. Okay, so I think for this we're gonna do like an office type area. That's what I'm hoping to do with this. So let's see if they have anything like that. This one is pretty hard, you guys, because this one is not like an actual picture of me like holding the phone cases, so it's pretty hard to pick a background for this. And you don't want a tacky background like this, you see, like this don't really look good. So I'm just gonna keep playing with it. Might speed it up a little bit so you guys don't go through this long process with me. But right now, if you find this video helpful, at least because you already know the apps is, at least click on the like button and subscribe to my channel right now, boo, because I'm gonna help you create some bomb content for free. Okay, so we're just gonna save this image like this for now, and then we're gonna try it to see how it would look on Canva. So we're just gonna add it into Canva, and of course it'll have no background because you know I don't really like you guys. Like, sis, what the hell do you like? I don't really like this. I'm so picky, you guys. It gotta be cute. Your thing gotta be looking cute. Okay, so we're just gonna go back and search pink desktop again and see what it gives us. Okay, you guys, I think this may be the one. Let's see. I'm just gonna rotate it again. I don't know, I'm kind of liking it so far. Kind of liking it, you know. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that as that. So save as image. Oh, gotta cancel because you know why? I forgot to put my logo on there. It is so important to watermark your pictures, you guys, because you saw how long that took me just now. Like, it fast forward for you guys, but that took me really long. And you gotta put your logo on there so nobody don't be stealing your content, sis, because you work hard on it, period. Okay, so where did I go to? Add logo. And on my next video, guys, I'm actually doing a whole video on how I create my website. Every little thing I have, I created on Canva. So I'm gonna be doing a completely whole video on that. So if you want to learn more about creating your content and creating your own website and doing all these business little things for yourself, hit the subscribe button, boo. I know I keep asking you, but you haven't done it yet. Okay, I'm watching you. And we're gonna save this photo to our IG feed, you guys, and we have one post down. Okay, so save as image, preparing your design. I'm thinking this is a little too dark actually. So what I'm gonna do is just go in with my little Apple filter, no app needed. I'm just brighten this thing up a little bit more. Okay, so that's what we had for so far. So I'm just gonna add it to my IG album again, IG feed album. So first thing first, I'm actually gonna drag this down here just so it can be next to these pictures. So, and I'm gonna drag this over here so you can see the before and after. So this was before, Nobody ain't liking that, sis. We removed the background, found one on Canva, and use it to create this one. It's not perfect, but you know, we're doing stuff for free over here, and we gotta do what to do, okay? So now you can remove this one from your album because you won't be using it, so just remove it from your album. Now we have 2 out of 3 pictures we'll be using for our Instagram feed. And I like, the reason why I have to do 3 pictures at a time all the time is because I like my pictures to match up. So I'm going to show you my Instagram feed again. I like every picture to match up with whatever scheme I'm going through for that day, as you can see. Okay, so go back over here. So next we have this picture. I'm gonna do the same thing for this picture, and to be honest, it's probably gonna be the same background, what I'm thinking. So we're just gonna crop it here. Crop, 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 crop. Isn't these girls cute? Okay, they're so cute, so fly. Yes, sis. And if you want a picture of yourself, you can always go to Taylor Tech Shop. The link will be in the description. Okay, boo. So we're going back to Bazaar. You probably can delete this because we don't need it. And then we're gonna import that picture that we just cropped, that one right there. So we're gonna press on that magic button again. Yo, it was not supposed to do that, but that's crazy that it took her off the whole case. Like, wow. That magic don't play. So we're gonna press undo because we don't need that. Wow, that was crazy. I wasn't expecting that, you guys. Like, wow. So let's try it again. Wow, why are you doing that to me, girl? Let's try to restore it a little bit. Y'all, it playing with me. She really playing with us, guys. So we have it like that. Let's delete this because I don't know what you was doing, girl. And let's import it again and see if it works better. Please work, boo. Please work, boo. I know she lying. I know she playing with my feelings. Hey guys, I end up going back to Bazaar and just work with it. I just want to work with it and see, because Canva do have a background eraser, but I can't find it on the app for some reason. So we're just gonna use Bazaar right now and see how it goes. Okay, you guys, I like zoomed it in and like trying that way to see if that will work. Like, why is this one so tough? So we're just erasing those black marks that are driving me crazy. guys, so we finally finished editing the second one. We're just gonna add this to our album, the IG feed, just to see how everything will look together. Okay, boom, look how pretty that looks. You see that? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so these are the posts that I'll be posting tomorrow, and then you know I do this every night, and this is how you increase your engagement on your Instagram. Okay, you guys, and make sure your captions are bomb as well. That will definitely increase your engagement, but that's for a whole nother video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to comment down your business name, because I definitely want to follow each one of you guys on Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please share with other entrepreneur friends, as well as join my Facebook group, free of charge of course, so we can all become a family, because we need support. Like, honestly, running a small business is so hard, especially when you're doing everything yourself. One last thing, I gotta shout out our sponsors again, which is Taylor Tech Shop, my company. We create cute and custom phone cases like this. The link will be in the description, you guys. So thank you so much for rocking with me. Also, comment down below, you guys, any video ideas you think I should do. It will definitely help me so much. And enjoy these bloopers, because it took me forever to film this video. Anyway, bye you guys.